The tech landscape is constantly evolving, but one thing remains the same. Businesses need cutting-edge tools to stay ahead of the curve. Meet the HP Tower Desktop Computer PC 2026 edition, AI-ready, designed to take on the most demanding tasks with unparalleled efficiency. In this review, I'll dive into what makes this machine a must-have for business owners and IT professionals. We live in a world where time is money and every second counts. Slow processing speeds, frequent crashes, and outdated software can be disastrous for productivity. Traditional desktops often can't keep up with the increasing demands of modern workflows. That's where HP's AI-ready desktop comes in, engineered to deliver seamless performance, even with resource-intensive tasks. With an octa-core processor and 64 gigabytes of RAM, this machine effortlessly handles multiple applications, heavy data analysis, and video content creation. Imagine being able to tackle complex projects without worrying about freezing or lagging. At its core, the HP Tower is built around AI-powered performance enhancement. This tech proactively adjusts system settings for optimal performance in real time, so you can focus on what matters, growing your business. The AI also learns your work habits, anticipating your needs and adapting to your workflow. This level of adaptability and predictive maintenance is truly revolutionary. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a closer look at what it's like to use the HP Tower in real-world scenarios. Imagine being a graphic designer with multiple client projects due soon. You have a tight deadline, but the HP Tower delivers a seamless multitasking experience. With AI-driven optimization, you effortlessly switch between apps, edit 3D models, and export files without hesitation. In the midst of chaos, this machine is a calm oasis, giving you the confidence to deliver high-quality results under pressure. In short, HP's AI-ready Tower desktop computer is a game-changer. With its unparalleled performance, adaptive AI, and rock-solid reliability, it raises the bar for business computing. If you're still using antiquated hardware, it's time to level up. Consider this. How much would you pay for an extra 10 hours of productivity each week? In a year, that translates to 520 hours, more than 6 weeks of uninterrupted work. When you factor in increased efficiency, improved collaboration, and streamlined processes, the value becomes exponential. The verdict is clear. If you need a desktop that can keep pace with your business's rapid growth, look no further. The HP Tower Desktop Computer PC 2026 edition, AI-ready, is a no-brainer. Invest in the future today and discover a world where productivity knows no bounds.